welcome to Business Uncomplicated. Today we're continuing our series on tools, and today we wanted to talk about free versus paid. What's the difference, and why should you care? So obviously technology, as we've discussed, is critical to running of your business. There are critical systems, as we've discussed this week, but cost always plays a factor. As a small business or medium business, or even large business, you don't want to pay for tools you don't need. So when we talked yesterday about the evaluation of your tools and your feature functionality, that's where you want to start. Take that feature functionality list and match it against the prospective tool you want to look at. Look at the free version and determine, does it meet your criteria? It may not be everything you need, but the things you absolutely need that it doesn't have, weigh the pros and cons on that. Do you need it now, or can you upgrade later? The next thing about the free version is you want to consider, it's a great way to test and try out the feature functionality that you want or you want to use. So testing before you buy is critical. Then you're going to know whether the tool is going to scale. You're going to know whether it's going to work for your company before you even invest the money. So once you've decided that, hey, this is a tool I want to buy, most tools have multiple versions, from free to basic to pro, and everything in between in some cases. So then look at the feature functionality and only purchase to the point of the things you need. Now, a lot of the AI tools that are coming out are consumption-based, so you have to look at number of chats, number of social messages, number of contacts. Like, think through the things in your company that you have in terms of data and volume, because that becomes a per cent, per less than a cent charge. But those charges can add up and they can sneak up on you. So it's really important that you pay attention to base pricing, consumption pricing, or extra features that are going to charge. They're going to charge you for. Once you've made the decision and you purchase the tool, remember, purchasing the base option always gives you the opportunity to upgrade. And you don't want to buy tools and features you're never going to use. It's a waste of time, it's a waste of money, and honestly, it's very confusing once you go to implement it, because then you're dealing with, oh, how do I use this? Why do I use this? And then you're trying to use a use case that was never intended for this option. So free version versus paid. Free, try it out, test it, make sure it works. Paid, only buy the things that you need based on your company's objectives, the problem you're trying to solve, and the outcome you're trying to drive. At the end of the day, it all comes down to ROI. Make sure you have the right ROI. Thanks. We'll continue to talk to you.